Earlier on Thursday, leaders of the University Teachers Association of Ghana UTAG met with the Ministry of Education and other stakeholders for more talks on how to end the standoff. This was the second of such meetings this week, as the first on Tuesday ended inconclusively. Unfortunately, Thursday's talks suffered a similar fate. The public relations officer of the Ministry of Education, Kwesi Kwarteng, said the university teachers and government could still not come to a compromise that would lead to a return to the classrooms.
So far as I'm concerned, we had even the Minister for National Security present, Orambo Kandapa. We had the Employment and Labour Relations Minister and his deputies. The Finance Ministry was also represented by the Deputy Finance Minister. So let me say that all government side were ably represented. After the meeting, parties resolved that we should still have further engagement with the hope to resolving the issue.
On February 3, 2022, the Labour Court 1 Division of the High Court urged the National Labour Commission (NLC) to settle its impasse with the University Teachers Association of Ghana (UTAG) out of court. The court gave the parties up to Thursday, February 10, 2022, to report back on the progress of the out-of-court settlement. But as multiple meetings with the government had not been fruitful, the lecturers returned to the court to continue the legal battle sparked by the NLC. The suit is meant to secure an interlocutory injunction to compel UTAG to return to work while they negotiate with their employers for better conditions of service, specifically a return of the 114% interim market premium on their basic salaries. However, the court on Thursday urged the parties to once again return to their engagement and adjourned the matter to Tuesday, February 15, 2022.
The judge today decided again to give us a little time to try to engage with the stakeholders and then come back on Tuesday. Let me say that this is a quintessential gentleman as a judge. And I think that he continues to apply his wisdom to a matter that should have been determined purely on the basis of law. And I think that I congratulate him.
Back at the Ministry of Education, its PRO says they hope that further discussions with the lecturers, as directed by the court, will finally restore public university campuses to normalcy.
Ultimately, litigation has to come to an end. And litigation coming to an end will definitely mean that parties may have to make certain form of concessions. And of course, that's certain flexibilities in their stance. I am not sure any of these parties, either of them, have entrenched positions. Of course, their views have been well made. If you look at UTAG, for instance, their views have been made within the public space, even in most of our behind-the-scene engagement. The most important thing as a ministry, our ultimate priority is to be able to get our lecturers back to the classroom.
When the striking lecturers are going to call off their industrial action remains unknown. However, one thing is for sure, and it is that the Ministry of Education says it will continue to engage them on the way forward. Reporting for Citi News, I am Nyama Ama.